So in first video we will discuss about file. So once you click on this file tab, here you will see these options. You can create a new blank workbook or template. Once you click on more template, so here you will see a list of templates you can use, you can customize, and you can make changes as your requirement. There is the category for business purpose, personal, planners and trackers, list, budget, chart and calendar. Like you want to create for loan calculator, click here, create, and here you can change your data, loan amount, annual interest rate, loan period in years, start date of loan, loan summary, number of payment. So you will see this all data automatically. Just you change your data here. You can make changes like color and what you need here, like this. Loan amount, like here is the $10,000. You can make it $20,000 and click anywhere. So data will be automatically changed. So this is a very useful. You can almost find every type of template, and so this is the new. You can create blank workbook and you can use this ready to use template. If you have any existing workbook, so you can open it, click on open and find out from your PC or drive. If you have, so select that one. You can add add-ins, some tools to your Microsoft Excel. Once you click on get add-ins, so some third-party tools you can use in Microsoft Excel, like Wikipedia, and there is a list of number of tools and add-ins for Microsoft Excel. You can sort by popularity, rating, name. There is a category like for education. So we will discuss more in later on video. And here you can save your document. Just click on save. Select the location where you want to save, like on desktop, on document, and give a name for your Excel workbook. Then save it. You can see this new name. And here is the save as. You can save this file with a different name. So data will be same and you can save with different name. Once you select save as. So now we have similar data in book 1 and book 2. Print, you can print your workbook. Click on show print preview. Here you can make more changes for print you can change page number. If you have multiple pages, so you can select page. Here you can change portrait or landscape. So we can see once we make it landscape, so page number will be changed. You can set here size like A4. You can change margin like you can select normal or you can select your desired one. Once you select custom margin, so you can make your desired margin here and select your printer and print. You can share your this document on as a PDF or you can share on OneDrive. So upload OneDrive and share your OneDrive link. Here you can make anyone can edit or only just can view, can't make changes. You can select this option. Enter the group name or email address. And send it. Now here, similarly, you can export your Excel workbook. To export, create a PDF or XPS document and publish. So as PDF, you can export your Excel workbook. And in the last one, option is the publish. Publish to Power BI. Use Power BI to create and share rich visual reports and dashboards from your workbook. So this is the advanced feature I will discuss in later on video. In just here we can know these are options in file and last one close. Just close your workbook like this. If you open any workbook, so you can close it like this. So these all options are in home tab or this file tab. Now here in the last one, bottom side, in left bottom side you will see one account and in account you will see user information, your software information like product information. This is the office, this is the version and name. Here you can switch the license, you can check the update if update is available. and user information. Here you will see your name and email address. You can sign out and you can sign in with another account. You can change this graphic. Here you will see some graphic change. You can change office theme. You can use as a dark, black, white, depending on your system, and colorful. So this is the first video. In next video, we will discuss all information about this home tab, and then we will discuss insert, then page layout, formula, data, review, view, help, and power, pivot, and developer. So stay tuned, like this video and share this video, comment and give your feedback about this Excel learning tutorial videos. So thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.